Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a throttle body on a 2010 Chevy Malibu. So let's get to it. Alright guys, one of the tools you're going to need to get the throttle body off, first step basically is going to be to remove this, and it's one under here with a flathead screwdriver. So that's the first tool you're going to need. I'm going to take this one out first. Alright, just loosen this. Another thing I like to do is disconnect the ground cable on the battery when you're messing with electrical stuff, just to be safe. You know, I don't know if everybody does it, but I just like to do it. Something just to tell you guys. Next thing you're gonna need to get the throttle body, the actual throttle body off, is a 10 mil for these 4 bolts, and you're gonna need a flathead to get this plug off. You're gonna want to pull this off with the flathead first, and then you can pop it off pretty easily. Old, new. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. It's done pretty fast, pretty short video. I did miss my Monday upload, but it's still the same week, so we're just gonna let that slide. But like I always say, thanks to all the new subscribers. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for sharing if you do that. But catch me in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.